Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to kafycrypto YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, we are going to be talking about crypto launchpads and how you can make money from crypto launchpads. So before we get started, if you are new to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and also like this video so that more people will get to learn from it. So let's jump in right into it. What are crypto launchpads? Crypto launchpads are simply a marketing form whereby new crypto projects sell out their crypto tokens at a lesser amount on exchanges before the official listing on that exchange. This is the basic layman understanding of what crypto launchpads are, right? Yeah, so your work, if you want to participate in crypto launchpads, is simply to, spot crypto launchpads early before the starting date on the crypto exchanges. Some of them used to have the lowest amounts you can invest with, and some of them used to also have the maximum amount that you can invest with. And mind you, these launchpads come with a higher level of security because if you invest in any launchpads and you eventually do not get, your money still returns back to you, right? And secondly, if you invest in any launchpads, there is always a 99% probability that you make money as long as you follow up with your launchpad participation, right? Yeah, so that is it. I'm going to be showing you some exchanges that you can use to start your launchpad business. This is a business you can start it as little as 10, 15, 20, 100, $1,000 depending. That is, you can do the one of $10 when there is no amount, when there is no limit, when there is no minimum, right? And you can do the one of $1,000 when the maximum is $1,000. Some of them always used to have like $500 to $1,000. That is USDT maximum, right? Yeah, so that is it. So let's jump right into it, and why I show you some exchanges, the previous launchpads, the current ones. I will also show you some of the things I have already explained. I hope you are getting value. If you are, let me know in the comment section. Have you done launchpads before? Let me know in the comment section. Have you made money from launchpads before? Also let me know in the comment section. So let's get started. Don't forget to join our Telegram channel, because we also share some interesting things that will help you make money in the crypto market, right? Yeah, so that's it. Okay, so one of the exchanges that you can use for your launchpad is Bybit, the Bybit exchange. So this is my Bybit exchange, right? I am not, oh shit, what happened? I am not logged in. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is to come to trade. Okay, sorry. Okay, so you come to trade, then you're going to see launchpads. If you are using your phone, so take your time to search for it on your phone, and you will see where there is launchpad on the Bybit exchange. I think for Bybit you have to click on more if you are using your smartphone to see it. But here you see it under trade. So you click on, you can see they said early access to new tokens. Remember I told you that launchpads gives you the opportunity to buy at a lesser fee before the listing, right? Or sometimes it can be a token that is already listed that will be used. I'm going to show you an example of that when we get to the Bitmart exchange. So I'm just going to click on launchpad right now and show you some launchpads that have probably ended, or the ones that are still ongoing, depending if you have any. Okay, so you can see here we have me launchpads, we have lottery supported in USDT. Okay, so we also have Jenny launchpads. We have these ones are previous launchpads, and these are the average weekly return. Now I'm going to explain what this means. So what this means is that people who invested into these launchpads actually had, that is after 1 week of listing, got up to 3,000% increase in their money, right? And you can see this one, they had up to 2,000% increase. It's not always rosy like this. Sometimes it might not really be it might not really be as you expected, but then the most important thing is that you still make some profit, even if it's 20%, 30%, or 40% profit. Then if you're able to hold and monitor your trade very well, then you can write on some of these percentages that you are seeing here, right? Yeah, so that is it. And see, these are just the recently concluded launch pads. And let me see, you have to click on details to actually see when it started. Now, if there is any upcoming launch pad, you are going to see, you can see this one is written completed. If it's upcoming, it's going to show you that it's upcoming. If it's not upcoming, if it's completed, they are also going to show you that it is completed. So that is it. I can see this one had an average of 20,000 participants, and this one had 40,000 participants. And these are some of the numbers that won. It's not everybody that wins in this launchpad. It's random, right? They just pick randomly. Like, it's more like luck. You need to have a small touch of good luck charm in you to actually uh win some of these launchpads, right? Yeah, so that is it. And so when you see a launchpad that you like, you know, first thing you need to do, some of them used to have a limit to how many days you need to have. Maybe it can be the exchange native token or USDT in your account before you get started. Why for some, even when the launchpad is ongoing, you can transfer and join, right? Yeah, so that is it. The first one is Bybit and the second one is Bitmat. You can see I participated in one, and that is 50% off flash sale. You can see yesterday Bitmat did their 5 years anniversary, and they used Matic to do giveaway for their audience. And you can see here they said 50% flash off. Now, as at the time they did this flash off, right? By the time they did this flash off, Matic was selling for 1 point something dollar, and I want to show you something. Matic was selling for 1 point something dollar, and they sold it half of the price on the launch pad. So people that got this launch pad, I was not able to get. People that got this launch pad actually bought Matic at $0.56, while they sold for, I'm going to show you, right? Let me search for Matic. Okay, why they sold for $1.13. So you can see the profit margin, right? Yeah, so you can see that it's not so bad, right? Now let's use our calculator. I was showing something here. You can see they said the minimum number of tickets one can buy is one ticket, and one ticket is worth 34 Matic and 19 USDT. So with this now, it means that if you are buying 34 Matic with 19 USDT, so we just have to do 34 divided by 19. Sorry. Okay, sorry. Oh, what am I doing? Anyways, let me leave the calculator. I don't understand this system calculator. So what we're going to do now is, remember you bought one ticket for 34 Matic with 19 USDT, which is at the rate of 0.56, and you sell for 1.13 dollars, and you have your profits to keep to yourself, right? That is good money on the side without trading, without doing fundamental and technical analysis, right? Yeah, so that is it. And to access the Bitmat launchpad, okay, so to locate launchpad, what you need to do is to come on that trade. Okay. All right, so this is it. You click on launchpads, that is under more option. You're going to see both listing and so on. But then what we are looking for here is launchpad. They have token and NFT launchpad, depending on the one you are interested in. I don't do NFT launchpads. What I do is token launchpads. So you can see they have 2 ongoing NFT launchpads, but then I'm not interested in such. This is what the type of launchpads I do. Token launchpads, not NFT launchpad. So you need to choose your option. If you're an NFT trader, you can decide to trade NFTs. If you are a crypto trader, you can decide to trade tokens. So that is it for Bitmart. Then we'll move over to MESC. MESC exchange, right? To access your launchpads, what you need to do is to come under activity. Then you're going to see launchpads, and you click on it. Okay, so this one is upcoming. It has 2 days to go, and if you open it up, you're going to see MX exclusive, meaning that you need to have MESC to participate in it, right? So you can see this is the launchpad supply total listing time, which is 20th of March, and today is 16th of March rather. Okay, so this is it. This airdrop 1%. I think this is their token economics. Yeah, token allocation. Yeah, so protocol rewards and co. Right. Yeah, so that is it. That is it. I hope it got value. The other exchanges that you can use now, this is an upcoming launchpad also, right? You can click on it to see more about it, or even check it off right now after watching this video. That is if you watch this video as at March ended, right? Yeah, so that is it. I hope you got value from this video. If you did, do well to let me know in the comment section. If you have any questions, also ask that in the comment section, and I'll be there to respond to you. And if you got value, also let me know in the comment section, right? So thank you very much for watching. See you on my next video. Don't forget to share this video for others so learn and also enjoy launchpad money. Thank you for watching. Bye.